Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see about Dormammu ABX gameplay. All the wooden blessings, skills are maxed, power of Angry Gulk, CTP of Rage, and uniform is in Mythic. Let's look into the uniform options. Crossbones, Jean Grey, Invisible Woman, Cable, Red Guardian. Let's get into ABX. Look at that guys, that beast is very much scary. We have to use silent character to cancel the roar. Let's check some characters useful for Dormammu support. Here it is, Ghost Panther. Here it is. Okay, we will select Ghost Panther lead and by level support. We can't use Nova because his passive will work only on hero allies. Let's select by level. Here I'm not using any specific skill rotations. I'm not finalized with my rotations, but this uniform, that fifth skill is inspired by Mysterio's fifth skill. So it will apply, sometimes it will apply more buff, sometimes it will apply only low buff, but that damage will be very huge. Look at the bars. We need to use fifth skill after the tier 3. We can cancel the tier 3. Third skill, after third skill we can use fourth, and then we can use tier 3, then cancel to 5. As of now it is giving more damage. Since it is easy to cancel the roar, now roar cancel is very easy. Look at this. Now it is telling us to use the skills which are having silence. So I just used fifth skill and the roar is getting cancelled. Previously it was very difficult. We have to read the movement of beast, but now it is very simple. Look at that guys. Only the problem in ABX was roar cancel, but now they made it very easy. Now everyone can score more. Now only thing is they have to build their cards and their characters. That's it. No need of taking that roar cancel into account. See, roar cancel is simple. I just cancelled. When the pop-up blinks, you have to use your silent skill. That's it. Roar will be cancelled. Still, Dormammu is lagging some points, but he is in the meta list. He can do both PvP and PvE. The only thing he is struggling in PvP, it is versus Jean. Remaining silver server, everyone he is smashing. Now roar cancel is very simple guys. See, I missed that totally because I don't have that silent skill that is in still cooldown state. So I missed the roar. So be ready with your silent skill always during the roar cancel time. That's it guys. See, without proper rotation he scored almost 5 million and we didn't cancel on roar. You can count on Dormammu. This rework is pretty much better. This update is really awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.